Hi everyone and welcome. This is Nikka Nadia and we are doing our Intro to Belly Dance series. We are back with the shimmy, possibly one of my favorite moves, if not the most favorite move in belly dance. For me, it's the shimmy. So the way that we do this is we find our feet a small hip distance apart. So not so wide, not so close, just a small hip distance. What I'm doing is I'm alternating straightening my knees. Click, 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 back and forth. I go click, 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 click. A little faster. Faster. And as fast as you can. So if you have knees that hyperextend, which means that they go past 180 when you straighten them, they extend behind you a little bit, be careful with this. Okay, you don't want to push too hard into the back of the knees. Otherwise, go ahead and push hard, like you're running, pushing with your legs. Strong shimmy. So it takes a little bit of practice to keep the chest from moving and the head moving, right? At first, you may feel your whole body vibrating, which is actually very healing. Imagine your hips jiggling, the muscles, the lower belly jiggling, but then the upper body is lifted and strong. Chest is open and we're breathing. So if we were to do a shimmer, both of our knees would stay bent and it would be a little bit smaller. Like this. Okay? But a full Egyptian shimmy, I'm actually straightening my legs back and forth and it gets nice and big. Keep going. You might feel yourself getting a little bit warm. Don't stop. Keep going. A little bit longer push. Keep breathing. And relax. Thank you so much, and I'll see you so soon.